Well, like I said before, my friends bought a bar. Let's go inside and... Hold on. Oh my gosh. Best neighbors ever. Okay, quit messing around. We got work to do. Here we are on the inside again. Just to give you a refresher, this is what you see when you first walk into the door. And for some reason, in the original layout, they chose to put the stage right next to the entrance. If you saw my last video, you know that they're going to take the stage down and move it to the other side of the venue. The venue came with some gear that they used before that they need to go ahead and sort and test to see if it all works correctly. Let's continue the tour. As we walk back, you're gonna see the bar. Now this is not getting a huge reno, it is getting cleaned up though. There are 5 new owners. We have Chad, Tiffany, Carrie in the back, Seth, and Skylar, who will be in later. They are all music lovers. In fact, 3 of them are in a band together. Continuing on, let's take a look at the beer taps. Let's step into the cooler if you've never seen how this operation actually works. Pretty interesting. Hey, all the fans are working. I think that's a good sign. Okay, let's get out of there. It's kind of chilly. Here's the back of the venue. This is where a lot of change is going to happen. They are going to need space, so unfortunately these games got to go. And I'm not sure when the last time this guy was cleaned. Oh, not skee ball. I like skee ball. The plan is for the stage to go all the way where Chad is, and here's the kitchen, and they're actually going to get rid of the kitchen. And then this back room is going to be changed into a green room for the bands. Here's a look from the back of the venue to the front. Last but not least, let's go check out this interesting basement. Duck, get it? Holy stuff everywhere. Some fun stuff. I doubt this TV is gonna work. Man, I love these old signs. They're perfect for any man cave or jam space. I think they're gonna sell some of them. Apparently at some point there was a pool table in here. I think that's a vinyl printer. Not sure why they own that. So much random stuff in here. That's not creepy at all. This is the old green room. Why do they call it a green room? I'll have to look that up. Here's another look at all the stuff. Now check out this piece of history. Seth told me this is an old coal-burning furnace. They would scoop the coal into this chute, and then it would land in here. And that's how they would refill it. Interesting technique here. Listen, I'm not a contractor, but I don't think that's normal.
Wow. Remember in here? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I think that sums it up pretty well. This is going to be an interesting build. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'm sure we'll find even more fun things as they remodel this old bar.